Hey signers! Today I'm teaching you routine signs in ASL. This is part 2, because we do way too many things and I couldn't pack all of our regular activities in one video. In this video, we're covering chores and daily activities. Be sure to stick around to the end because I put these signs into sentences that you can start using in ASL conversations today. If you're serious about learning ASL and want to include it in your daily routine, the best way to do that is with our Accelerated program. Learn How to Sign Accelerated is packed full of valuable courses, exercises, live Zoom calls, community, and so much more. All available within one membership, and we're constantly adding more to it. To learn more, click the link in the description. Let's learn how to sign routines in ASL. As we know, we can fit a lot into our daily or weekly routines. So how do we show all of those activities that we do throughout the day or the week? Well, what you will do is what's called shoulder shifting. And you can show each of these activities just like this, whether it's a few things or multiple things. What this shoulder shifting does is give those natural pauses to sign the different activities. Typically, you'll see no more than 5 activities listed. So here's an example of shoulder shifting. Every morning, I shower, make lunch. As you can see right there, I did an activity and then I moved it over here. If you have more activities, just like that. Now let's learn signs for chores. To do chores or duties, you do the sign do and then the sign for duty. Do chores or duties. Errands, errands. Your finger spelling D-O, for as doing something and moving it around that you have a lot to do. Errands. To do yard work. You do the sign work and then finger spell yard. Work in the yard. Rake leaves. Rake leaves. Your dominant hand is making the shape of the rake and raking up the leaves. To rake leaves. To mow. Or you can do mow and grass. It's just like you're pushing the lawnmower. To mow. To take out the trash or to take out the garbage. This is the sign for trash or garbage, and you're grabbing it and taking it out. To take out the trash or garbage. Wash the car. Wash the car. You do the sign car and then flip your hands around and scrub it down. Wash the car. Set the table. Set the table. You're showing the table first and then putting the plates on the table. Set the table. Make the bed. Make the bed. You just do the sign make and bed together. Make the bed. Laundry. Laundry. This is showing the agitator in the washing machine. Laundry. Clean. Clean. Think of dusting something off. Clean. Sanitize. Sanitize. Now for this instance, the sign deep and clean. But if you really wanted to sanitize germs, you could also just fingerspell sanitize. Sanitize. Dishes. Dishes. You're just showing the shape of the dishes and in the context of maybe cleaning them or something. Dishes. Sweep. Sweep. You have your non-dominant hand facing up, which is like the floor, and your dominant hand is sweeping the dirt. Sweep. Mop. Mop. It's like you're holding the mop and you're mopping the floor. Mop. Now let's learn signs for daily activities. activity or to do something. You have C-shaped hands moving in a circular motion. Activity, to do something. Habit, habit. You have open hands pulling in to closed fists. Think of being pulled down to a habit. Habit. Routine, routine. You have these Y-shaped hands moving in a circular pattern. This is also the sign for same old, because it is your same old routine. Routine. Study, study. Imagine this is the paper that you're studying and you want all eyes on it. Study. Book, book. This is what we call a noun-verb pair. The sign book has a double movement, but then we can close the book, open the book. Book. Newspaper, newspaper. It's the paper and the printing. Newspaper. To read, to read. This is the page that you're reading, and your dominant hand is the eyes reading down the pages. To read. Bible, Bible. It's the sign Jesus and book put together. Bible. Email or email. You have a C-shaped hand with an index finger or a flat hand. Email, email. Workout or exercise. It's just like you're lifting weights or jumping rope. Workout or exercise. To lose weight. To lose weight. Here are the pounds and they're dropping off. To lose weight. Work, work. Your two fists are pounding right on top of each other. Work. Hardworking, hardworking. It's just like the sign work, but you're talking about somebody's personality. Hardworking. Break as to take time off. It's like vacation, but pulled up. Break. Meeting, meeting. You have 5-shaped hands coming to flat O's. Think of the people coming in to a meeting. Meeting. Watch, watch. This is like you're watching the TV as a spectator. Watch. TV, TV. You just abbreviate it, T and V, for television. TV. I am walking, or somebody else is walking. This is showing your feet walking, and they can walk all around. Or somebody else is walking by, or walking around. I am walking, somebody else is walking. Dog, dog. This sign has many variations, but the most popular one is this D to G, like come here, dog. Play, play. Play, you're using Y hands and they're bouncing around like they're playing. Play. Children, children. It's like you're patting the heads of all the children. Children. Cat, cat. You're showing the cat's whiskers. Cat. Call or call. This is showing that you're calling somebody or somebody is calling you. Family, family. It's the letter F's in a group of people. Family. Friend, friend. Think of you and your friend giving each other a hug. Friend. Shopping, shopping. Your non-dominant hand is flat facing up with your dominant hand in a flat O shape like you're holding the money and you're giving it away when you're shopping. Shopping. visit, visit. You have V hands moving in a circular motion, and you can visit all around. Visit. Go to, go to. Your index fingers are going to the place that you're going to. And you can come and go as you please. Go to. Church, church. You have a non-dominant fist and a C going right on top. Think of the church being built on a rock. Church. Pray, pray. It's your hands together looking like you're praying. Pray. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Today is hot. Do you want to wash the car? Today, hot. Car wash? Want? Question, question. I have a meeting at 5:30 on Monday. Monday, 5:30, meeting, have me. Laundry day is Friday. Friday what? Laundry day. My husband mows every week. Every week, my husband mows. Now that you have learned all the routine signs, look at ways you can add ASL to your routine. Maybe it's watching an ASL YouTube video each week, practicing finger spelling every day, or joining Accelerated to practice with other signers. Link in the description. Find a way to practice ASL as much as your routine allows. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.